They tore my cotton granny dress and called me a hot and tranny mess.
Sugar plum fairy.
Story of my life, booty from the ball, the party's off the hook,
But I'm too off the wall.
that's the story of my life.
Remember, if we find you back...
Or haven't you read the stories?
You mean those stories that say I'm a big bad wolf?
I get it!
With constant doubt,
We don't
I'm
judge
gonna shed my house coat.
this thing, you work it out.